Hello students, in this video I am going to start about the first cell organelle, which is endoplasmic reticulum. Its short form is ER. Endoplasmic reticulum is a large network of membrane bounded tubules and sheets. Endoplasmic reticulum, it looks like long tubules or round or oblong bags like vesicles. This is the diagram of endoplasmic reticulum, in which it is near nucleus and then it is bounded. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. One with a rough surface means it consists ribosomes on it. This is a rough, so it is called as RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. And where there is no ribosomes, it is smooth surface, so it is known as SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And these are ribosomes. Now in this, the ER membrane is similar in the structure to the plasma membrane. It is also covered by plasma membrane. Two types as I have shown in the figure, RER and SER. RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. RER looks rough. That's why it is rough endoplasmic reticulum. And there are ribosomes attached to its surface. The ribosomes, which are present in all active cells, are site of protein manufacture. This functions, RER function is for protein manufacture, and SER, which is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it helps in the manufacture of fat molecules or lipids, important for cell function. Some of these proteins and lipid, protein, it's a function of RER, and lipid is the function of SER, helps in building the cell membrane. This process is known as membrane biogenesis. Some other proteins and lipid functions as enzymes and hormones. Although the ER varies greater in appearance in different cells, it always forms a network system. Thus, one function of ER is to serve a channel for transport of materials. It transports material. RER function, protein manufacture. SER for manufacturing of fat molecules or lipid. Then whole ER, endoplasmic reticulum, its function is to transport of materials, especially protein, between various regions of cytoplasm or between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. The ER also function as cytoplasmic framework, providing a surface for some of the biochemical activities of the cells. In the liver cell of the group of animals called vertebrates, SER plays a crucial role in detoxification many poisons and drugs. Write all the functions of ER, RER and SER in this topic and write the summary of this topic in your own words. Now we will start Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus, first it was discovered by Camillo Golgi. That's why it is named before this scientist Golgi apparatus. It consists of a system of membrane bounded vesicles arranged approximately parallel to each other in stalk called cisternae. Now I will show you a diagram. This is the structure of Golgi complex. They are parallelly arranged and these are called cisternae. This arrangement, which are parallelly arranged, and this pile-like structures, stalk-like structures are called cisternae. This membrane often have connections with the membrane of ER and therefore consist another portion of complex cellular membrane system. This is exactly located after the ER. It is shown in the diagram 5.6 in plant cell. The material synthesis near the ER is packed and displaced to various targets. As ER has a transport function, then it packs all the material and dispatches to various targets inside and outside the cell through the Golgi apparatus. Its function includes the storage, modification and package of products in vesicles. Golgi apparatus function is to storage, modify and packing, and ER function is packed and dispatch various targets inside and outside the cell. In some cases, complex sugars may be made from simple sugars in the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is also involved in the formation of lysosomes. In next topic, we will see about lysosomes. Please write the summary of Golgi apparatus and draw this diagram. It shows the crispase, transphase. This is secretory vesicles, lumen. This space is lumen, cisternae, and this are forming new vesicles like this. And this is transphase. Thank you.